Diamond Media TV, police confirm death of lady crushed to death after a car was rammed into by a train in Abuja. Photos and videos shared online show the wreckage of the car after it was rammed into by the moving train. It appears the deceased was trying to drive past the train line when she was rammed into by the train. Investigation has commenced by the Railway Division, having jurisdiction over the track, finding and safety tips already existing will be reiterated to ensure a non-repeat of incident shortly, she said. This lady has been identified as Selimota Idua Suleiman, a staff of NTA Channel 5. The deceased was on her way to the office when the incident happened about 10 a.m. on Thursday, December 15, 2002. Until her death, late Selimota was a principal accountant with the finance department. Although an eyewitness said that the incident occurred about 5 minutes to the Kabwa train station, while Selimota, who was driving in a private vehicle, attempted to cross the rail line as the Abuja-Kaduna train was coming on a high speed.
This just happened this morning.
Big bomb factory has been uncovered by the police in Ebonyi State. Also, Chris, the spokesperson to Ebonyi State Police, disclosed this in a statement on Thursday, December 15, said the discovery followed an operation by the police during which its operatives engaged in a gun battle with hip-hop ESN members, leading to the death of 2 of the separatist group members and arrest of one of the state's commanders. In the statement also said that the bomb factory was discovered in a camp at Ogbegun, a boundary area between Onitsha, Isu, and Isielo local government of Ebonyi State.